Hello guys, welcome to our music production masterclass. This is the beginning of part 2. In our part 1 we were focusing on production basics, that is on Pro Tools and FL Studio. So I took you through the basic concepts around FL Studio and Pro Tools. So in this next session we are going to focus on production. Okay, so let's go to FL Studio. This is our FL Studio. So let's get into creating a simple beat and then let's see what we can do with it. Alright, so it's on pattern. So this is pattern. Okay, so let's hit our metronome to know what to. Okay, I think it's too fast for what I have in mind. I want to do a simple hip hop style beat, so I think let's take this down to say 95. Let's try this again. Alright, now I'm going to go over to my browser window, come to drums here. Under drums we have kicks here, so we will try our 808 first. So this is our 808, which I will drag to here. Okay, and then I like to enforce my 808 with a 707 kick, which is what we will use here. As for hats, let's close kicks and go to hats. We have hats and okay, and 808 will do the job. And then I like this one as well, so I'm gonna put it here. For snare, okay, and 808 and come in here. So alright, let's start up something. Okay. not select camera. Yeah. So we can right click and rename it as beats. And then color it. Okay, so this is the beat now. We can go to the playlist, and drop it here. Switch to sound. Okay, and paste it. Let's paste it for like 1 minute or so. And paste it here. Okay, this is about 1 minute. This will do for what you want to do. So in our next lesson, in our next class, we are going to try to layer other instruments like piano and e-piano and pads as well. Let's save this. Save. Let's call this beats. Okay, and then we save it.